Hello dear students, today in GK class we will start our exercise 3, that is the heavenly bodies of unit 1, the universe. So first exercise is match the column. Let's quickly do it. The first one is Saturn, and you know what is Saturn. Saturn is a planet with most visible rings, जो कि आप mostly at some special days आप उनको notice कर सकते हैं generally. Okay. The second is asteroids. Now what are asteroids made of? Asteroids are made up of rock. And what are asteroids? Small irregular planets. Now third is sunspots. Sunspots, what are sunspots? Dark patches noticed on the surface of the sun. तो जो हम जब सूरज देखते हैं, जब हम सन को नोटिस करते हैं तो कभी कभी हमें उसके ऊपर पैचेस दिखाई देते हैं. पैचेस मीन्स धब्बे दिखाई देते हैं. देन दे आर नोन एज सन स्पॉट्स. फोर्थ इज सन, एंड सन इज आ ओनली स्टार इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. Now coming to the 5, that is Jupiter. Now what is Jupiter? Jupiter is the biggest planet of our solar system. Sixth one is constellation, and constellation is what? A group of stars. काफ़ी बार आप रात में नोटिस कर सकते हैं या किया होगा, जो प्रॉपर एक ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स होते हैं उनको हम कॉन्स्टलेशंस कहते हैं. एंड देयर आर सो मैनी कॉन्स्टलेशन इन द गैलेक्सी. नाउ सेवेंथ इज वीनस, and Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. Now eighth one is Earth, and Earth is the only planet which has life. 9 is Milky Way, and Milky Way is our home galaxy. And 10th is Mars. Mars is known as red planet. Now coming to the true and false, let's see. The approximate diameter of the Earth is 12,700 kilometer. That is true. I hope you all understand what is a diameter. Diameter is a straight line which tell us about the whole surface. Now second is Jupiter has the highest number of moons. That is also true. Then third is Mercury is the densest planet of our solar system. That is false, because Mercury is not the densest planet. Earth is the densest planet of our solar system. Fourth is Venus has the longest period of rotation. That is true. And how much days it takes? 243 days it takes to complete one rotation. Fifth is Neptune's atmosphere is blue, poisonous, and is composed of methane, and that is also true. Now coming to more about a constellation is a figuration of stars as visible from the Earth. Different constellations can be recognized by fascinating patterns they form in the sky. There are 88 constellations in the sky, like Ursa Major, the Great Bear, can be seen in the northern sky throughout the year. Ursa Minor, Lesser Bear can be easily recognized in the sky by the pole star, the brightest star in the constellation. The pole star is the brightest and the most visible star which you can see in the sky. Like this, you can find out the constellation in the sky. Now, coming to activity corner, try to identify different constellation in the sky. Come on students, I will suggest you tonight, please go to your terrace and try to find some constellation. It will help you. And coming to quick facts, Saturn has such a low density that it can float on water. Means Saturn जो planet है उसका जो volume है, जो mass है, वो इतना कम है कि it can easily float on water. Second is the height of astronauts increases by 2 inches when they are in space. तो जो एस्ट्रोनॉट स्पेस में जाते हैं वो उनकी हाइट जो है हर 2 इंचेस बढ़ जाती है. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ द फोर्स. Now coming to the page number, I guess 4, exercise 4 of the same unit, that is unit 1, the universe. Now here they have given some correct, choose the correct answer. You need to just choose the correct one. The first one is the sun is a dash. What? Star or meteor? That is a star. The sun weighs around dash 30,000 or 3 lakh times as much as the earth. That is 3 lakh. थर्ड इज द ग्लोइंग सरफेस ऑफ द सन दैट इज विजिबल टू अस इज कॉल्ड, जो हम पार्ट देखते हैं सूरज का जो हमें दिखता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज फोटोस्फीयर. द फ्लेम्स that comes out of the sun are called spicules. Fifth, the layer below the corona of the sun is called dash, that is chromosphere. अब यहाँ पे corona, please student don't get it to the COVID-19. Here corona of the sun means outer part of the earth atmosphere. For your ease I have written it here. Sixth is the sun is mainly made up of hydrogen and dash, that is helium. Now SOHO, SOHO stands for Solar and Hemispheric Observatory. Eighth is the temperature of the sun's surface is dash degrees Celsius, that is 6000. Ninth is dash is the closest planet to the sun, Venus or Mercury, that is Mercury. Last 10th is dash is the farthest planet from the sun, Mars or Neptune, that is Neptune. Now coming to the activity side. See student, what does the name sun mean? Find out. You can learn more about sun at the following URL. If you copy and paste this URL in your search engine, so the site will be open and you will come to know various facts and some hot spots about the sun. Now coming to the quick facts, the sun is a medium-sized star. There are much larger stars than sun in our universe. You know, sun is a star, and in our universe there are many stars which are larger than the suns and many are smaller than the sun. Now coming to more about the heat from the sun's interior erupts on the surface and forms patches. These patches are called granules. Now, what is the meaning of granule? Granule means small particle. The huge flames of hot gases are called solar prominences. तो what does it mean? जो heat sun से बाहर आती है या erupt होती है and it forms patches, वही sunspots form करती है. These patches are called granules. Granules means small particles and the huge flames. Flames, I hope you understand what is flames. Huge flames of hot gases means लपटें जिनको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, they are called solar prominences. Thank you.